Alright, for number 15, we're asked to solve. So looking at the left-hand side, it's in expanded form. I need to write it in factored form in order to solve. So thinking of what method I'm going to be using. Going down my list. 1, is there a GCF? No. Method number 2 is difference of squares. It has to be a binomial. This is a trinomial, so it has to be method number 3. And since that's a 1 in front of the x squared, it's going to be the quicker factoring method. So for method number 3, you can already open up 2 parentheses. X squared splits as x times x, and then to find the missing numbers, you take 48, make a factor list of 48, and we're looking for which subtract, because that's a minus sign, what subtracts to the middle term. That would be 8 times 6. That would subtract to give us 2. And we really need a negative 2. So to modify 8 and 6 in order to get 2 negatives, we would have to have a negative on the 8. So my 2 factors are x minus 8 and x plus 6. So that's equal to 0. Now that it's in factored form, we're just going to apply the zero product property that says if you're multiplying 2 quantities together and your answer is 0, then either the first one, the x minus 8, has to be equal to 0, or the second one, the x plus 6, has to be equal to 0. So solve your one-step equations here. First one, you're going to add 8 to both sides. So x is equal to 8. And for the second equation, subtract 6 from both sides. Inverse operations here. So x is equal to negative 6. So your 2 solutions, we have x is equal to either negative 6 or 8.